How to reuse. In the old adage reduce, reuse and recycle, we often overlook reuse as the best way to avoid waste. Before you take out the trash, recycle or donate items to the local thrift store, give some thought to repurposing. You might end up improving organization and efficiency in the process. Part 1: Reusing kitchen items. 1. Don't recycle your next empty jug of milk. Poke holes in the top of the lid. Then, fill it with water, screw the lid on and use it as a watering can. 2. Save a large square egg crate, like the ones you find in bulk stores. Set it on your desk and place your laptop on top. It will keep your laptop cooler, so the fan doesn't have to work as hard. 3. Use twist ties to secure cords together behind a computer or desk. Write on bread bag tabs and attach them to the end of cords so that you can keep them straight. 4. Reuse a wine bottle as a rolling pin. Wash it and dry it, then flour the surface thoroughly before rolling out your dough. 5. Paint or enamel an old cookie sheet. A metal cookie sheet with a lip works well to store wet galoshes or shoes near the entryway to your home. 6. Clean out old spice containers. Fill them with seeds and shake them on your garden beds when it's time to plant. 7. Save tic-tac or Altoid containers to hold bobby pins. 8. Keep old Pringles cans. Store your spaghetti and fettuccine pasta inside to keep it fresh. 9. Clean out an old ketchup bottle. Fill with batter and your pancakes can be perfectly proportioned. Part 2: Reusing clothing textiles. 1. Store sunglasses in old mittens or socks. They will be protected from dust. File them in a drawer horizontally. 2. Wrap rubber bands around the ends of plastic hangers. They will keep your tank top and dresses from falling to the bottom of your closet. Part 3: Reusing bathroom items. 1. Mount bathroom towel racks on the back of kitchen cupboards. The lids to your pots and pans will slip neatly into the area between the rack and the cupboard, leaving drawers less cluttered. 2. Use old disposable razors as sweater shavers. The slightly dull blade will keep you from cutting a hole in the knitting. Shave just above the surface to remove pills. 3. Save all old toothbrushes. They are excellent for cleaning tarnished silverware, mud-off boots and hard-to-reach places. They can also remove the silk from corn cobs efficiently. 4. Fill an old contact case with salt and pepper. Take them with you when you travel to a cabin or a cookout. 5. Stuff plastic bags into an empty tissue paper hold. It will allow you to store them in a small space and pull them out one and at a time. 6. Use a hotel shower cap to wrap around shoes in your luggage. Protect the rest of your clothes from outside dirt. Part 4: Reusing office items. 1. Place paper clips across the end of your tape rolls, so that you can easily find the end when you need it next. 2. Save your printer paper that has only been used on one side. Stack it, cut it in half and staple the stacks together. You can make scratch pads for to-do lists. 3. Box up old blackboard chalk and keep it in the garage. It will improve the luster of a surface when applied to metal items. You can also store it with silver jewelry to reduce tarnishing. 4. Reuse newspaper anywhere you need odor or water absorbed. Place them in the bottom of your trash bags, at the bottom of your refrigerator or around defrosting food. Wrap bouquets or place them beneath a small child's bed to avoid accidents. 5. Use the tines of a comb to hold a nail in place while you pound it into the wall. 6. Clip binder clips onto the back of your desk. String charging cables through them to make a charging station for your devices. Part 5: Reusing miscellaneous items. 1. Use old pool noodles to keep your boots in shape. Dry them completely, cut them with scissors and place them upright inside the boots. 2. Paint an old shutter to match your decor. Hang it on the wall and use it as a magazine rack. 3. Save an old frame or mirror that you don't want to hang. Paint the surface and lacquer it. Use it as a tray.